Hi beautiful ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine and good, enjoying the conditions of your health and doing very well. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish, very gorgeous collection of dresses. So in this video, you will be find out very stylish and stunning collection of evening wears, evening gown style outfit ideas. You will be find out neck designs and sleeve design ideas, back styles design ideas, pearls works, bead works, crystal works, amazing ideas, amazing designs for your styling of dresses, for your gown styles, for your evening wears. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of dresses. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful designs, very beautiful collection coming up next in this video. So don't skip any idea and don't skip any design. I love all these designs, all these styles of dresses, and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of dresses, so please dear ladies, dear girls, do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of different types of gown style ideas, styling ideas, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so must share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. If you are loving these designs, so please do like my video and share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses. Hope so you will enjoy this video. So must watch video till the end. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.